want a little bit. I promise I'm not gonna do it all because I want this beautiful fusionings on it. So we're gonna use like maybe a couple of them. That's all. And then don't forget with no white top coat. Now, if you don't want it shiny, you can do a matte top coat substitute and apply floating right on the top. Should we do a matte top coat though?
Sure, do matte.
Do matte? But then the vending is gonna be matte though.
It glows somewhat, not crazy shine. It's still something.
But you can always do it. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna get your veinings like back and shiny again. I'll show you shortly after we're done with this. All right, let's see. This one looks cool. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Looks cute. This one is cool, stunning. That's it. A tiny little one. I'm using a smaller one. I love this. This has all different cool elements. It has like pearls in there as well. That's it. You can do it like that. And add a couple.
And quick reminder, anything you see Nancy use, you can find them on our official website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com.
I'm gonna add a couple more on the side. It's really cool because I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what I'm gonna change the color to. I'm so patient as adding it on because it looks so cool, so stunning. Like the bead's like, hey, I'm gonna land right there. Okay, so now I add some more of this on. Just getting a little bit of babies on it. And this one. Oh my god, I'm so quiet. Sorry, I was like so focused.
That's okay, everybody focusing with you.
Right, you can add so many beads as you prefer. You do not have to add so many if you don't want to, okay? So it just like, just depend on your preference. Your clients like want, oh my god, Nancy, I want more. Like the clients, oh my god, Nancy, I don't want a lot. I don't want any beads, and just don't do it. All right, so we're gonna add some beads on and pearls on it to make it looks really cool, and then let clear. But remember the color, right? This is a green, and this like have a pinkish blush, and it's kind of beige color, like the cream colors. All right, so let clear for 60 seconds. Well, 30-second flash clear.